Hindi ko alam bakit namin ito sinubukan. Ang sabi mo, Shane?
Daming sa! Prince, pag nahulog ba ako dito, isa-save mo ba ako?
Maliit lang yung airport nila. It's so cute. Sobrang nakakagutom na. So tara. Gee! Welcome to Bishkek! Madali lang naman yung process nila. Feeling ko medyo nagtagal lang kami sa pagkuha ng visa. Medyo matagal kasi ang dami namin doon pero iisa lang yung tao doon. Guys, so medyo nakakalito again. Nasa kanan siya. Nalito kami. Time check guys, local time it's 12:25 AM. Okay.
Take a chance, we let me ride. I could be the best thing in your life. You got me singing. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, we let me ride. I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Check 2:30 AM. Yeah, nandito na kami sa hotel. And hey guys, what's up? Tara, pasok kayo. So, eto yung pagpasok mo, may CR tayo dito. Hindi ka dyan yata pwede maligo. Tapos pagpasok mo dito, may makikita ka dito yung dalawang cute na kama. And tapos eto yung pinaka-room. May dalawang bed din dito. Cute ng washroom nila. Ayan. Part. And cabinet. Hindi siya balcony. Ay, wala tayong balcony, pero ang cute ng bintana nila. So magpahinga muna tayo kasi sobrang nakakapagod. Itong tour na to, parang ang dami na agad nangyari. So, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning! Meron tayo dito pa face mask muna bago tayo umalis. Saglit lang siya, then maghilamos na tayo. First tour natin for today, guys. What's your name again, sorry?
Max.
Max. Okay, where is our first destination?
Yeah, Skybridge.
Skybridge. We're going to Skybridge. Going to Skybridge is about 40 to 50 minutes ride. Pero super worth it kasi the view along the way was so nice. May mga malls na super aesthetic. Tapos habang lumalayo sa city, biglang naging parang cinematic yung vibe. Wide roads, green scenery, tapos may mountains pa sa background. Nag-stop kami for mini photoshoot sesh. Kasi nga, the view was giving main character energy. Hey, guys, nandito na kami sa Skybridge. So, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo siya. Ayun siya. Doon kami pupunta. Tara. And before ka makarating sa Skybridge, may ilang minutes hike papunta sa bridge. Kung hindi ka sanay, medyo nakakapagod yung paakyat. Pero parang mini adventure na agad. Fresh air, chill nature vibes, at bawat steps, may bagong view na super aesthetic. Sobrang taas pala nito. Doon kami nanggaling sa baba. Inihingal na talaga ako. Good thing, may tour guide kami na super careful sa pag-guide sa amin habang umaakyat. Kaya safe and smooth yung trip namin. I'm tired already. Wow, this is beautiful. Shit. You okay? Ang sabi mo, Shane?
Daming sa! Prince, pag nahulog ba ako dito, isa-save mo ba ako?
Grabe. The Skybridge was built in 2021. This is a crazy suspension bridge 125 meters above Chunkorkak Gorge. Walking on it feels super wild, parang floating above mountains, valleys, and forests. Every steps, konti lang ang sway pero ang thrill level sobrang high. The panoramic views are so cinematic, perfect for snapping pics. Pag finally nasa bridge ka na, grabe, ang adrenaline. Huwag kang tumingin sa baba! Huwag kang tumingin sa baba! Promise, it's an experience you won't forget.
I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying.
to get to you, to get to you.
Guys, nalagpasan na namin yung tulay na yon. Sobrang nakakatakot. Kaya pa? G! Kakapagod. Grabe to. Grabe. Next ano namin. Grabe yung trail dito, guys. Nagkakagulo na. Wala gustong bumaba. Grabe. After leaving the sky bridge, we started our descent to the falls. The trail was narrow and steep, clinging to the cliffside, so every step needed full focus. Putang ina talaga. Piling ko mahuhulog. Diyos ko po katarik. Bumaba kami gamit ang wooden ladder, medyo worn and creaky. At ang rope handle lang ang aming support. Pagod na ako. Our tour guide gave clear instructions and led the way, making sure the descent stayed safe. Habang papalapit kami ng papalapit sa roaring waterfall, ramdam na ramdam namin ang adrenaline. At ang bundok around us revealed its raw beauty. Grabe guys, worth it dito. Doon kami nanggaling sa taas, yung bridge na yon. Pag hindi ka nag-ingat dito, magiging kwento ka kinabukasan. Reaching the base felt like more than just a hike. Parang isang thrilling journey through nature. That descent made the waterfall even more unforgettable. A reward for focus, caution, and courage. Nakabalik na kami dito sa taas. Sobrang nakakapagod. Hindi ko inakalang ganito pala siya. Ngayon, kailangan uli namin bumaba. Kasi nandun yung sasakyan namin. Sheesh. Ano na kayong dalawa? Nandito na tayo sa kakainan nating restaurant. Maganda dito. Up next, we went to Supara, a cultural complex and restaurant in the mountains that showcases Kyrgyz traditions. The place itself felt authentic. Pag-upo namin, they first served a tea before the meal started. Medyo mahal siya dito pero ang ganda niya dito guys, sobra. For lunch, we enjoy local dishes. Fresh breads, salads, hearty soups, and even tried horse meat, a specialty in Kyrgyz cuisine. One of my personal favorite of our trip was the glamping experience. We didn't stay overnight. We told our guide we wanted to try more of the local culture. So he brought us here kahit hindi part ng itinerary. Sabi ng tour guide namin pwede raw siyang inumin. The place was so aesthetic. Imagine, wide open views of the mountains, fresh cold air, and cozy yurts na parang straight out of the Pinterest. Tapos may cold flowing water pa sa gilid, crystal clear and drinkable, like nature's own mineral water. The whole area gave us a glimpse of how locals live closer to nature. Simple, pero meaningful. Even if it was a short visit, it honestly felt like full cultural immersion. Definitely one of the highlights for me, not just for the view, but for the experience itself. Guys, nandito na kami sa cable car. So, sarado na raw siya. Ayan, hanggang tingin na lang kami. Kasi imbis dito muna kami pumunta, naglaro pa kami sa Sapa. Wala palang electricity. Lang natin, tapos mag-picture-picture na lang tayo sa loob. Ito na lang yung ginagawa namin dito guys, dahil hindi gumagana to. Akala ko kapag binili mo na siya, bubuksan mo na lang, kakainin mo na lang. Yung pala, ikaw pa pala mag-aayos nitong hayop na to. Paano ba to?
Kainin mo na lang.
Good morning, day 3 here in Kyrgyzstan, guys. Good morning, Max. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are bound to Burana Tower. This historical site is one of the most iconic landmarks in Kyrgyzstan. The tower itself is a surviving minaret from the ancient city of Balasugan, dating back to the 11th century. Naraw kami sa Burana. Surrounding the tower, makikita rin ang mga preserved artifacts such as stone carvings and ancient relics that tell story of the Silk Road era. Meron ding open-air museum where we can see balbols or stone figures na ginagamit noon as grave markers or symbolic guardians. Not far from the tower, there is also a small cemetery area. Dito makikita ang old tombstones na nagpapakita ng historical burial practices of the region. Akyatin na natin ang Burana Tower. Ayan siya. G. Medyo makipot yung daan niya. Subukan natin. Akyat tayo dun sa pinakatuktok. Sobrang sigip ng daan.
And then going going out, same.
Oh, same lang din.
Same lang din.
Oh, tara. Buksan niyo yung lente niyo, yung lente, yung ilaw. Grabe. Kung takot ka sa masisikip, huwag kang pupunta dito. Oh, shit. Matarik. Madami na. Hindi ko alam ito pinagsusuot na. Pagdating namin sa taas, sulit lahat ng effort. From the top, makikita mo ang wide view of the surrounding fields and mountains. Breathtaking and peaceful at the same time. Baba muna kami, guys. Gusto namin mag-try ng sweet corn. Yan, tingnan niyo yung view natin sa likod. Napakaganda. Inabutan kami ng ulan. Lipat na lang kami sa ibang venue. Baka doon sa place na yun hindi mo ulan. Nahuli kami guys. May violation daw ng driver. So, wala natin.
Few moments later.
Nandito na tayo sa hot spring. Medyo na late na kami. Dapat doon kami sa kabila. Yung mas malaki daw. Pero puno na daw. So hindi na kami inallowed. Maliit nga lang siya. Pero okay naman. Tara. Namon pa. Yeah guys, tapos na kaming mag hot spring. Shit. Saan ba tayo pupunta muna? Susunod. After natin mag hot spring, dito naman tayo dumiretso. Before heading back to our hotel, we made a quick stop at Isiklo Lake. The lake and the sunset is just simply beautiful. It was the perfect spot to spend our last day and our final destination before heading back to Dubai. We just relax and enjoy the moment. 8 PM na dito. Maliwanag pa rin siya. Thank you, Max. Time check. It's 2:30 AM in the morning. And light na natin bukas. Ngayon lang kami nakauwi. Sinagandang tour. Looking back, our Kyrgyzstan trip wasn't just a trip. It was a full-on experience. From adrenaline rush of the sky bridge, the breathtaking mountain hikes, to tasting authentic Kyrgyz food and diving into their rich culture. Every moment left a mark. It was a journey that challenged us, inspired us, and connected us into a country full of beauty and heart. Kyrgyzstan isn't just a place you visit. It's a place you truly feel and one we'll never forget.